It is an honor to be at Chitkara University. I've had a brilliant experience, right from the infrastructure to the cleanliness to the way everything is organized, the entrepreneurship cell. There's so much. It's kind of exceeded my expectations in so many different ways.
Today, Jasba organized an event with Mrs. Avneet Kohli.
She gave a workshop which was focused on power of LinkedIn and career readiness.
I'm proud that I was a part of this workshop where Ms. Avneet Kohli has been able to share certain skills on developing the personal brand.
Overall it was a great session by that young kind of role model for all the youngsters, especially in education sector.
We intend to do many more such sessions in the future also, so that our students are equipped with the latest advancements in digital profiling platforms like LinkedIn.
I think it's been a beautiful experience and they've been amazing, gracious, warm hosts. So thank you Chitkara University once again.